How to get rid of floating algae. Algae flourish in water sources with little circulation, such as ponds and even some deeper fountains. Algae can grow quickly to cover the surface of a body of water and pose a health risk if not removed. Algae floating on water naturally clumps together, making removal of a large portion of the algae relatively easy. Floating algae removal consists of capturing and removing larger clumps of algae from the water, as well as skimming the surface to pick up the thinner or isolated areas of algae. Things you'll need: stick or other long tool, leaf skimmer or net, water hose. Dip a stick or other long protruding tool into the water contaminated with floating algae. Move the tool through the thickest areas of algae, allowing the algae to clump up and cling to the tool. Pull the tool and any algae clinging to the tool up and out of the water. Clean the algae off the tool and repeat until the largest clumps of algae are removed from the water surface. Run a leaf skimmer or leaf net over the surface of the water to pick up any remaining algae groups. Empty the algae out of the skimmer and repeatedly skim the surface until very little algae remains. Spray the surface of the water with a water hose to move the remaining algae to one area. Move around the water, spraying with the hose until all the algae is concentrated in a single area. Skim the remaining algae off the water surface with a leaf skimmer or net. If the algae disperses, spray the surface of the water again with the hose to clump the algae for easier removal. Tips: warnings. Vacuum up any algae that sinks to the bottom of the body of water. This prevents the algae from growing and reinfecting the surface of the water.